Gavana Simba Arati ebokwete asenge njeyemu obokole limbo yase wodi yana chipara chiane chikwete wana chibekira asongorobeli bwe budget abantu bane nkongita bali abantu bane nkonda amabali ngitimbu ati chibesa ngokora amagendero once na bekire budget is the responsibility yomo governor go implement the budget igonga bwa matebuane no governor ole ko Simba Arati tiboyo asebono higa ukombangira buna kuri bakombangira no musani oye cyakubonga baminyoki asama kuri tingotama ayabanga chionjole ekera bakumumera bangite ande to make sure bantigere moyo ba make sure bangite completely
amangana yamagenderero inche buno mweshimiwa nyacheke ward umugaba no ito Simba Arati agacha nyacheke December 2023 akalaunch chipara no alaunch chipara chabo basi akagenda na Mogetauli akagenda na summit. As we speak today, we have a few days to December. No single road that has been completed, and we are now asking for the implementation of new projects for this financial year. So what are you telling us? All that we are asking is implementation of development projects to get a budget. Into we are representatives of the people. We do not implement. We represent our people. We take the project agenda as a budget na ntuachi yetu bunge. Tuamanya we expect a governor and the executive to implement those projects in totality. Ekero chitara wa implemented ekero tokobori. We have no war. We have no grudge. Igo tokobori gen tukiria bananchi batotomete. Tell me, omokusio tegera tando siesore. Onyo mugabo no chirore chipara mna nyacheki chipara cha ekorosu para te yara osiru no ne yem na anda ira na nyacheki na anda batebi ngabono it's another December na bale tere Christmas. It can't work. We are not fighting anybody. We are asking for development. Nekero kubuli bugavana no manyetege ntoko chokora. If you are not able to execute, if you are not able to fulfill the promises that you gave to the people, kindly resign down the tools so that abantu batuara na opportunity yogo chora another leader.
Oyo konya korwani mu women rep. Onya gatagete kero ke women rep tigatige ke gabwate aje to mu women rep to sugumu mu women rep na mu mugabana. Igo.
Era toke ngunda abuya ngeto agenda bondali okoba chinkuma chiachirenga nali kichipura. Andake chiyo bugabana. Biroge bitobwata tibiri biyonde. Onde bwensi nabakuboli ekura no nyankuru ward yane. Ono bugabana obundi bwensi nabakuboli ono president boyko. Te vaisa go ikiranga twachakire ko bwairana asama tanga ngasenge incho ndaliko tenga etengo ayogo tenga
bono ntegete kubuli abashimiwa bamintu. Even if we don't subscribe to the same political ideologies tigatosikane na ende lichiko ligo twalao kiro muntu nabwato bosibuli bwo tarandons na gukwana kendi gyons as long as yetali gento kibo salio